Have you ever felt, really stuck at a crossroads, maybe confused about your purpose or just torn between choices? It's pretty universal, I think. Well, today we're doing a deep dive into a really ancient text that tackles exactly these kinds of challenges. Our source is excerpts from the Bhagavad Gita, Life's Divine Song Explained. We want to unlock some of its timeless wisdom for you.
Yeah, the Gita, it's incredible stuff, often called the Song of God. It's basically this profound conversation happening right on a battlefield. You have the warrior prince, Arjuna, just completely frozen by despair. He has to fight his own family, his teachers, and Lord Krishna, who's his charioteer and, divine guide, starts revealing these deep truths. It sets the stage for everything.
Right, this crisis point. So our mission here is to pull out those key insights about life, duty, karma, the self, things from this ancient guide that can really serve as a kind of manual for life, even for you listening today.
It's amazing how relevant it still feels. The very first big idea Krishna hits Arjuna with is about duty, performing your action, your duty, but without getting attached to the outcome. The Sanskrit phrase is famous, karmanya vadakaraste maphaleshu kadachana.
Ah, yes. You have the right to your actions, but never to your actions' fruits.
That feels so counterintuitive now, doesn't it? I mean, we're all about results. So for Arjuna facing, life and death stakes, wow. But how does the Gita actually suggest we do that? How do you cultivate detachment when your mind is just racing about success or failure?
Well, that leads directly into the Gita's teachings on mastering the mind. It's absolutely crucial. It's less about stopping thoughts and more about directing your mental energy, focusing it on the action itself. Not getting lost in desires or fears about what might happen. A calm mind, a disciplined mind, that's the key to freeing yourself from that anxiety over results. It lets you act clearly. So it's really an internal battle first, mastering your own state. Much harder than any external fight, maybe.
And speaking of the internal, the Gita puts huge emphasis on understanding your true self, right? The Atman. It's not just some abstract idea of a soul, but this realization that you are not just your body or your thoughts, but something eternal, unchanging.
Exactly. And if you connect that dot, this understanding of the eternal Atman, it underpins the whole concept of Dharma. Your Dharma isn't just duty in a dull sense. It's more like your inherent purpose, your righteous path, the actions aligned with who you truly are. For Arjuna, realizing his Dharma as a warrior was key. It helped him see past his personal feelings to his, let's say, cosmic role.
Okay, and that links directly to karma, doesn't it? Dharma, attachment, karma, they seem interwoven. The Gita clarifies karma isn't just like cosmic scorekeeping, good versus bad deeds tallying up. It's crucially about the intention behind the action. And again, acting without that attachment to results. Precisely. This karma yoga, the path of selfless action, is presented as a way to liberation. Acting selflessly can actually free you from the binding consequences of karma. So yeah, it's not just what you do, but really how and why you do it.
The intention and the detachment. Got it.
And then all these threads, duty, mind control, self-knowledge, dharma, karma yoga, they kind of culminate in the idea of surrender. Surrender with faith. It suggests that real peace comes not from trying to force every outcome, but from aligning yourself with, a larger cosmic or divine intelligence, doing your part with integrity, doing your best, and then trusting the process. Letting go of that absolute need to control.
Okay, so pulling it all together then. The core takeaways from the Gita we've touched on are doing your duty, but without clinging to the results. Cultivating that disciplined mind. Understanding your true self, the Atman. Following your unique Dharma.
Acting with right intention, that karma yoga principle.
Right, and finally, that element of surrender and faith. Trusting the larger picture.
Taken together, these offer, a powerful framework for resilience, for clarity, for finding inner peace, even when life feels like a battlefield.
So true.
And Krishna's final message to Arjuna, which really resonates for us too, is essentially, do your best. Stay detached from the specific outcomes. Walk your path truthfully.
Because true victory isn't just on the battlefield. It's within. Something to think about. How might these ancient principles apply to your challenges right now, your choices, your own search for inner peace?